What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a like on this video if you love vlogs. And today I am heading to go do my laser session. I'm doing my full legs and my chin. I only washed my face this morning and sprayed the Tower 28 like rescue spray. I love that spray. It helps to like calm down any redness on my skin, any inflammation from acne or my pimples. So I really love spraying that on my face, like as a before spray, after spray. So I'm heading to my laser session, and then I normally just wash my face, put that Tower 28 spray or rose water, and then I bring with me the Garnier vitamin C 3-in-1 serum so that I can put on after, because I rather just put the moisturizer on after than before, because you're not supposed to have any lotion or anything like that on your face when you get laser, and they're just gonna wipe it off anyways. So might as well just put the thing on after. So then after that, I want to go and get my eyebrows waxed and tinted, possibly. There's this place in Orlando that does them on Saturdays for $10. So I saw it on Instagram. My cousin sent it to me, so I'm gonna go over there and see what it's about. It's a little ratchet over where it's at, but $10, you can't beat it. And then after that, I think later on, my cousin is like, they want to go out to like this Latin spot for her birthday. And I don't know, he said we finna step out for sure, but we still thinking about it. How we gonna step out for sure but we still thinking about it? It's either we going or we not, babe, because I got a video to record, so I need to know if we going or if we not. But my appointment is at 1:15. It's 12:46, so I'm just chilling in the car right now until my appointment time. So I'll check back in with y'all when I get in there.
Swapping all the bells out the box. I just hit the licks, put the steak in the box. Pour up the whole damn field, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we be trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so got cash, throwing on white, my nigga knows. They slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at? I was at back. Where the stash at? Cruise the city in the bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas everywhere the bag at. Gotta move smart, gotta move hard. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my dog. I had the Draco with me, drink water. A lot of niggas out here playing, they I done put a whole arm in the rim, this cup. Get down and no poppy, get a kid for the butter. Shawty better seen double six, I
hurt. But when you get your Brazilian done, that joint hurts so bad. The chin don't hurt either, but of course it's a laser, so you're gonna feel the laser hitting your skin, but it doesn't hurt, it doesn't burn me. Like, I'm dark skinned, so they use the YAG for me, and it doesn't hurt. So don't be afraid to get laser, y'all. But some places, I think their machines work more different than others, so it may hurt. But for me, it doesn't really hurt. So I'm about to head to go do my eyebrows, and I'll see y'all after. $15. Y'all, I'm at the beauty supply store because I need a bar soap for hyperpigmentation and dark spots for like my face and my body. And normally my aunt used carrot soap, but this one, she uses this too. And I hope to just get a couple of bar soaps. Like, they have the Papaya, they have a Kojic milk, this one. They're usually inexpensive, like, but then they also have this one, which is the one that my aunt uses, carrot soap. These are like Complexion soap bars that helps to make your skin radiant and even. But some of them do have bleach in it. I'm not trying to bleach my skin, baby. I'm just trying to even out the skin tone. So I'll probably get one of these too. Papaya and carrot soap. Like, they have this one too, the carrot complexion soap, but that's not the brand my aunt uses. She uses this one. Y'all, I just realized that I was right next to the food court that I usually come to get some food. That food court got all kinds of good food. They got Haitian food, Jamaican food. They got this wing spot called, what these people call? Buffalo Boss, Brooklyn's finest wings. And their wings are so good. They fry my wings and make my wings exactly how I like it. I like my wings fried hard, with lemon pepper and garlic parmesan. Oh my god, y'all, it tastes so good. So if you're in Orlando, y'all need to come to the West Lakes food court. They got all kinds of food, y'all. The food is top tier. There's like this other Jamaican spot. They have like this sweet and spicy pineapple salmon. So good. So now I'm just waiting for my food. You basically order your food on the kiosk, and when it's ready, they'll call you to come and get it. So I got a 6-piece wings. You could get the one with the fries, but since I'm going out later, I just wanted to get me the wings. It's 6-piece wings, traditional bone in. You mix 2 sauces. So I get garlic parmesan, lemon pepper, crispy, with Boss blue cheese. I don't usually do the blue cheese, but that was $9. So y'all need to come up in here and get some food. So my eyebrows looking real good. When I say real good, y'all, homegirl did that, okay? Ah! It look like I filled in my brows. I think I want to get my brows microbladed, y'all. Microbladed or micro shaded. But from the beauty supply store, y'all know, gotta get the beauty supply lip gloss for $2. Lip gloss and be having your lips popping. And then I got me 3 soaps. Like I told y'all, I get these soaps for complexion, not to bleach my skin. It's for me to get it basically evened out and brightened. They do sell bleaching products up in them beauty supply stores, which, okay, they be bleaching their skin. I don't need to bleach my skin. I already have a very nice complexion. I just need it to be evened out because y'all know I get dark spots and hyperpigmentation a lot. So, and my skin has been doing real good. I've been using my skincare products on it, and it's been doing real good. I use bar soap from time to time on my skin, but for the most part on my body, bar soap has been helping me with my acne and dark spots on my chest and my back. So I got the carrot soap, the carrot one. My aunt uses this a lot, and my grandma used to use this. And I also got the papaya one, Papaya Complexion bar soap. And then I saw one in there for acne, so I picked it up. Of course, it said acne on it. So organic hand soap, acne bar soap. And my aunts literally use bar soap on their face and they have zero acne. So I need to stop spending extra money on face washes and just use bar soap. Like, come on. This has turmeric, black seed oil, shea butter, coconut oil, sulfur, all like natural ingredients in here. So I can't wait to try this out on my face. It says exfoliate, cleanse, tone, face and body bar soap, apricot seed powder. I don't see nothing on here that I can't read. Okay, so basically this is all oils, turmeric, sulfur. Sulfur has done wonders for my skin too. I have it in like one of my custom acne night creams with Grand Active Retinol in it, and y'all, it's been working for the dark spots. Okay, like look at the skin. I don't even have no moisturizer or nothing on it, and it's glowing. So yeah, let me wait for my food. I've been talking for too long, so let me wait for my food. I'm gonna show y'all when it comes.
It's my first time here. Okay. Do I have to go through here or do I have to just show you who I got?
Right there. You put the order in the front, scan it, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. No, a little bit more.